The RK Royal KLUDGE S108 typewriter keyboard brings a distinctly retro look to a full-size mechanical keyboard, combining a typewriter-inspired design with features aimed at modern gaming and everyday computer use. With 108 keys, it keeps the familiar full-size layout, making it a practical choice for users who want dedicated keys without moving to a compact keyboard format. The wired connection also keeps the setup straightforward, particularly for a desktop workstation or gaming setup where wireless connectivity is not essential. The most noticeable feature is the typewriter-style design. Instead of following the plain appearance common to many modern keyboards, the S108 is built around a more classic aesthetic, giving it a decorative character while still functioning as a mechanical gaming keyboard. This makes it particularly suited to users who want their keyboard to stand out visually rather than blend into a conventional office setup. RGB backlighting adds a more contemporary element to the retro design. It provides illuminated keys while reinforcing the gaming-oriented appearance, creating a combination of old-school styling and modern lighting. For anyone looking for a keyboard that works as both a functional input device and a visual part of a desk setup, that balance is one of the S108's main attractions. The mechanical keyboard format is another important consideration. Mechanical keys are often chosen by users who prefer a more defined typing experience, and the S108 is positioned for both gaming and general computer use. The full 108 key layout also means there is no need to sacrifice the number pad or other standard keys simply to achieve its distinctive design. There are some practical trade-offs to consider. The wired design means it is less flexible than a wireless keyboard for users who regularly move between devices or prefer a cable-free desk. Its retro typewriter styling is also highly distinctive, so it will appeal most to people who specifically enjoy that aesthetic rather than those looking for an understated keyboard. Overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 is best suited to users who want a full-size 108-key mechanical keyboard with a retro typewriter-inspired appearance and RGB backlighting. Its main appeal comes from combining a classic visual style with modern mechanical keyboard functionality, making it a fitting option for gaming, everyday typing, and distinctive desktop setups.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.